Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your WhatsApp application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, go to any chat and then we're going to send a photo from my gallery. So basically, this is the photo that I want to use for my profile picture. Now, tap on the HD at the top and select the photo quality into HD quality, and then tap on the send icon at the bottom right. Now, once you send this image to this account, so what you're going to do is go back to the chats, and then right from there, basically tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner and select on settings from the drop-down menu. Then go to the profile or the profile picture. And then I'm going to select that image that I just sent from that account. So as you can see, and then tap one done at the bottom right. And if you're going to tap on your profile picture, then as you can see that image is in that HD quality. So that's basically how you can set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.